everyone, it's me Peppa Pig. Welcome to my channel Peppa X Wolfoo. Let's go ahead reacting to Wolfoo 8. I think Wolfoo is my favorite character. Yeah, I think he to become my boyfriend. Okay, there we go. What's he doing? Wolfoo, you can't do it. Wolfoo, you can't do it. Let's go. Oh my God! Look at this Wolfoo eyes, just like that. No, can't do it yet. Okay, the next video is not list. Terrible sounds Wolfoo is not list. What the heck? What the heck is that? Wolfoo is yeah, I saved him something because you definitely like that, Wolfoo. Why you say anything, Steven? Nope. I think so because you definitely cute, Wolf. I think so because you terrible sound, Wolf. I think so because you know, you know. Oh, Wolf, you're so silly and you're so funny. What are you saying? No.